Every month manufacturing companies generate thousands of cost data points. The real challenge is not collecting data, it is finding the insights that improve profitability. As a data analyst, I wanted to understand what was driving changes in our cement variable cost. Instead of manually preparing reports, I used NirnexAI to analyze one full year of plant production, packing, and cost data from July 25 to June 26. I uploaded the file and I gave NirnexAI 3 simple prompts. Within minutes, NirnexAI generated a management-ready report. The analysis identified the biggest performance break in Feb 26, when cement production fell by 36.5% month-on-month and cement packed fell by 33.3%. This was highlighted as the most critical operational risk in the entire period. The NirnexAI also detected a second volume decline in May 26, with production down 11.6% and packing down 11.0% from April 26. This indicated that the issue was not a one-time disruption but a broader execution or demand consistency concern. NirnexAI then identified the lowest total cement variable cost months. April 26 achieved the lowest cost at ₹1,993.60 per ton, mainly due to lower power cost and grinding cost. May 26 benefited from a lower clinker variable cost portion, while May 26 was supported by lower raw material cost despite higher grinding cost. The most powerful insight came from the clinker analysis. NirnexAI found a 0.76 correlation between clinker mix percentage and clinker variable cost, another 0.76 correlation between clinker transport price and clinker variable cost, and a very strong 0.89 correlation between clinker variable cost and total cement variable cost. The report also showed that bag cost and packing contract cost increased from May 26 to May 26 while production declined, creating additional margin pressure during a weaker volume period. Finally, NirnexAI recommended 3 immediate actions: identify the key reason of the February 26 downfall, re-baseline packing economics, and investigate the abnormal stores and spares spike in Feb 26. At last, I downloaded the detailed summary report in PDF.